Nowadays, all the food topics are getting finished. So, and Gari Soakings. All Ghana food bloggers, we are going to meet the president at the Flagstaff House to discuss our main problem in the country, food receipt shortage. So all my brothers and sisters are coming along with me to send our petition to the president. Sweet Ajeli, Nanabe's Kitchen, Obape's Kitchen, Kwanchire West Kitchen, Original Mama Betty's Kitchen, Indudu by Fafa, Jasmine, Sindako, everybody, all the food bloggers, they are all coming along with me to send our petition to the president at the Flagstaff House. Now let's get started. How to make Gari Soakings or emergency number. You would need Gari, milk, or needle, or Milo, or nothing at all according to your economic status. You would also need sugar, or salt, or honey according to what you have in the house. The milk is for the Dadabees children. The needle or the milk powder is for a honeyho. The Milo, sometimes it is for the Dadabees when there is no milk or milk powder in the house. Gari doubles in size or in quantity. Please choose one. A. Quantity. B. In size. When preparing it or sagum, do it according to the amount of milk or sugar you have in the house. After measuring 5 teaspoons of Gari into your bowl, add plenty water. My people in Nigeria, I greet you. Ijebu Gari is sweet too. If the economic status is not favoring your pocket, please leave it after adding the plenty water and come back in the evening and the 5 teaspoons can supply or feed the whole family. If not and you like your crunchy Gari Soakings, then immediately you add the plenty water, strain it and remove the unwanted material from the top, and then add your ice water or cold water. Back in the days when the hotness of the economy was hurting our pocket, we did not strain the Gari. You just put your water, sugar, and maybe little granite, the granite to where you go get, and then you just drink it gra. Hey, poverty too is wicked though. When I was attending Poverty Senior High School, I told myself that when I graduate to University of Richness, I will buy one full mug and pour it into small Gari with small water. And now look, the mug is here, but I cannot eat. Sometimes poverty can deceive you, so be patient if you don't have money now. The Gari I was drinking during poverty time was sweeter and better than the Gari with full milk today. Oh, lest I forget, please, this is how we eat Gari. If you are eating Gari with someone, let the dropping drop on the table. And if you are eating alone, then feel free and manususongumu. If you are eating alone, you can let the dropping drop inside the Gari. That one, it is your own cup of tea. Thank you for watching Safu Bafu's TV. Please like and comment. Bye bye.